Unity is power. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very powerful phrase, unity is power. This phrase has deep meanings and is used in various contexts. So, let's dive into what it really means and why it's so significant in both language and life. Remember, understanding such phrases not only improves your English but also gives you insight into important life lessons. The phrase, unity is power, implies that when individuals come together and unite, they become stronger and more capable than they are alone. This idea is rooted in the belief that collaboration and solidarity can lead to greater achievements. We'll explore historical examples and everyday scenarios where this phrase holds true, showing its relevance and power. In this section, we'll discuss how the concept of unity plays a crucial role in various settings, from sports teams to communities and even nations. We'll see how unity can lead to success and strength, and conversely, how lack of unity can lead to failure or weakness. Here, we will explore how the phrase, unity is power, is used in everyday language. We'll look at similar phrases and idioms, like, united we stand, divided we fall, and discuss their meanings and usage. This will help you understand not just the phrase itself, but also how it fits into broader English language use. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to apply it in real life. In this section, we'll discuss practical ways to embrace the spirit of unity in our daily interactions and activities, whether it's at work, in school, or in our personal lives. I hope this video has shed some light on the powerful phrase, unity is power. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and values they represent. By understanding and applying these concepts, we can not only improve our language skills but also enrich our lives. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.